In this short tutorial, I am going to show you how to sign in to the Temu website. It's quick and easy. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and go to the official Temu website. Once the homepage loads, click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now click on the sign in or register button. Then you will see a few options to log in. You can choose to sign in with your email address, phone number, or even use a Google or Facebook account. Now enter your login details, then tap continue. Then enter your password and tap continue. If you use the correct information, you will be signing to your Temu account successfully. And that's it. You are ready to start shopping. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.